Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Magreel Telescopic Fishing Rod. This fishing rod is well made from 24T carbon fiber with a stainless steel hooded reel seat, which is durable and corrosion resistant. Stainless steel line guide ring constructed with ceramic rings make heat dissipation better. EVA handle is soft and comfortable to hold. Exquisite aluminum spool with double color, wooden knob, interchangeable right-left hand foldable metal handle. With extra smooth performance, it's great for large game fish. This fishing poles kit includes the telescopic fishing rod plus fishing reel EVA carrier bag 120 meters fishing line, tackle of fishing lures and accessories. Spinning fishing rod and reel combos with EVA carrier bag is lightweight and convenient to take, easily fits your backpack, trunk or boat. Enjoy a wonderful fishing trip anytime. Our second best bass fishing rod is Cast King Perigee 2 fishing rods. Cast King keeps fishing fun with the best value spinning rods and bait casting fishing rods in the fishing tackle world. Just like our fantastic Cast King fishing reels and line, our Perigee 2 one-piece and two-piece twin-tip rods come with 2 tips, your choice of medium light with a medium tip, or a medium with a medium heavy tip end, are priced to fit your fishing gear budget. You can choose any power you want, light rod, ultra light rod, medium, medium light, medium heavy and even heavy fishing rods. Cast King Power Transition System Hybrid Spigot Joints and Perigee 2 two-pieces rods transition power smoothly throughout your fishing rod blank. Specialized high-technology computer control wrapping at 4 angles like 0 and 45 and 90 and 135 degree keeps the power flowing. Whether you choose an amazing and affordable Perigee 2 casting fishing rod as a bass rod or a Cast King spinning rod as a walleye rod, or for any species, you will agree it feels exactly like a one-piece fishing rod. Third in our list is Sobe Long Fishing Rod. Sobe Long Fishing Rod is lightweight and portable, easily fits in car trunk, boat or backpack. Sobe Long Spinning Rod Reel Combo allows you to travel to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you want. Fishing rod made from carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, strong and durable. Hollow frame design and computer balancing system combined with high performance and lightweight for long time fishing. Fishing rod reel combos with carrier bag and necessary accessories for fishing include that 1 carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod plus 1 fishing reel and 1 carrier bag and 3 fishing lures and fishing line, some necessary accessories. This reel has 13+1 corrosion resistant smooth ball bearings, precision matched gears and a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio. Give it ultra smooth performance. Interchangeable right or left hand CNC machined aluminum handle and comes with an extra exquisite aluminum spool. Number 4 in our best bass fishing rod list is St. Croix Bass Spinning Rod. Arguably the most versatile of all types of base lure, crankbaits can be used effectively with most casting rods. And the St. Croix base spinning rod is an excellent option to use with crankbaits. For a serious angler who demands high performance and value, high modulus, high strain graphite fiber, produces sensitive and lightweight rods with great durability. Eliminates all transitional points in the Mojo Bass spinning fishing rod blank to provide smoother actions, increased strength, and greater sensitivity. The medium and the medium heavy power versions suit this technique. Choose according to the density of the cover you usually fish in or your intended line weight and lure size. As a guide, the medium power rod is rated for 8 to 14 pound lines, while the medium heavy rod is ideal for 10 to 20 pound lines. Our last pick is Placino fishing rod. If you considering the price point for this rod is relatively affordable, and it comes with a full kit like rod, reel, 6 hooks, 4 sinkers, 6 lures, and a line, among other accessories of necessary fishing bits and pieces. It makes for a fine set to get the hang of fishing with and frankly, decide if the sport is for you. The carbon fiber and fiberglass in the construction make the pole durable, which is excellent, considering beginners are likelier to snag on rocks, branches, and debris. It is also telescopic and lightweight, making it portable and easy to carry around. Sturdy plastic reel seat with double locking structure is easy to assemble and disassemble, even kids can do it without any problem. Cushioned hood keeps your reel tightly in place and won't loosen when traveling long distances on choppy water. Exceptionally versatile, this fishing rod can be used with all types of line, including braid. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!